A wiki is a collaborative site where users can add, edit, or remove content from the website. So, what is Intelligent Wiki? It is a wiki site where only the members of an organization can share information or edit information. Now, generally, there are two types of wikis. One is internal and external wikis. Wiki software, it is not an encyclopedia or it is not a Wikipedia. Dear students, welcome to Computer Science classes. I am Ravi Kumar KR, lecturer in Computer Science, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Students, let us start our discussion with the concepts, wiki sites and blog site. Now, in this session, I am going to brief you about wiki site and blog sites. Now, let us start with Wikipedia. Now, all of you are familiar with Wikipedia. Most of you have used Wikipedia for different types of information. So, this is Wikipedia, and today we are going to talk about wiki site. It is one of the page in Wikipedia. So, this is a classic example. This is Wikipedia. It is a type of encyclopedia where users can get all types of information at their fingertips. Now let us see what is a wiki site. Now Wikipedia is a site and what is wiki page or wiki site. So here the wiki is a collaborative site where users can add, edit or remove content from the website or from the page. For example, see if you know what is Wikipedia. So this is the website, a Wikipedia. So here the users have an option to add his own page, that is called a wiki page, or you can also have a wiki site where all others can also contribute to the particular site or particular page. So that is the meaning of is a collaborative site where any users can add, edit or remove content. See, that is the definition of what is a wiki site or a wiki page, and it is a website. Wiki is a website, a database or online community that is managed by its user. So it is managed by a group of people or group of users for exchange of information. So here wiki site is a website. Accordingly, any user is able to add, edit or remove content. So this is the concept of wiki site. It is a website where or it is a collaborative site. Different users can contribute to a particular page or a wiki page and they can edit the document. So this is a wiki site. Now let us see a few of the most common uses of professional wikis are, means who are all using wiki sites. So let us see a few examples. And here first one is onboard new employees. And here it makes great resources for new employees to find information and training materials. They will be also save time in onboarding process. The onboard employees means one who joins any of the employer at the beginning, they'll be trained with this type of websites. This is onboard new employees. Share companies resources. So another uses is a great tool for documenting your company's many processes. Once filled with the documents, wikis become resources that your employee turn on to whenever they need and burning questions and answer. So it is also another advantage of wiki site here. So share company resources. Once your information or document is in the wiki site or in a wiki page, that resources can be shared by different users to clear their doubts for their different clarification on different aspects. Now, answer technical questions, and we are using these are the different users can make use of wiki sites. So answer technical questions to avoid employees asking the IT department the same questions over and over again. You can include a technical FAQ question in your wiki page or wiki site. See, these are the different purpose or uses of wiki sites. So for answering technical questions, to avoid directly contacting IT department for their clarification. In the next slide, manage a specific project. So wiki pages are also a great collaboration tools if you want to brainstorm, upload content, or write as a group. As we said, it is a collaborative site, so anybody can join the group, anybody can edit the document, either can edit, add and remove the document. So accordingly, if you want a particular project, so if a group of people are working on a particular project, they can share information through these type of wiki pages. Store historical documents, policies and procedures. See, the archive function of most wikis helps you maintain a clean interface while still hanging on older documents and keep a record of company history. So it is also possible to store information about any employer or any employees regarding the policies, procedures and documentation. So this is another advantage of this is another people they are using wiki sites. Now let us see types of wikis. Now generally there are two types of wikis. One is internal and external wikis. So what is internal wikis? See, internal wikis are used by business to store and share sensitive information within their organization. So within one organization, information will be shared within the organization with different employees. That is internal wikis. And what is external wikis? External wikis are used for public facing purposes and can be accessible by anyone. So external is for public use and internal is for internal or inside any organization. So these are all two types of wikis. Now in the next slide, and again under that we have private and public option or feature. So what is it? See, both are powered by the same technology. They serve very different functions. So they're private and public wiki pages. So here, wiki engine, private wikis. See here, what is the definition of private wikis? Only a few contributors can view and edit. So this is for private wiki. I mean, it is not for all the users. So only limited people or few people, they can have the permission for editing the information. Now public wikis. Under public wikis, whole world can view or edit or both. So this is for public application where anyone can access the website and he can register it and he can contribute or he can edit the document. Whereas under private wikis, it is only for limited members of any organization. So these are all private and public wikis. In the next slide, we will see what is a wiki software. So if we talk about wiki software it is an app where you can create, collaborate site with your team. So this is wiki software. It is an application software or it is an app where we can create a wiki site, editable and searchable and suitable for daily use and integrated with other tools and available across devices. So this is a wiki software. And wiki software, it is not an encyclopedia or it is not a Wikipedia. As we have seen in the first slide, Wikipedia is a type of encyclopedia. But wiki site or wiki page is not an encyclopedia. It is a wiki separate. It is a separate app or a wiki page. And a word processor, it is not a word processor and it is not a to-do list or it is not an all-in-one productivity tool or it is not a life hack system. So this is to clarify about what is a wiki software and what it is not. It is about a wiki software. In the next slide, let us see how to create a wiki page. So once if you know what is the wiki site, and now we have to start creating a wiki page. And here there are few steps are given here. So these are steps to be followed to create a wiki page of your own. So here first one is create an account. So this account has to be created within a wikipedia.com site. So the first step is we have to create an account. Once the account has been created, it is contribute to existing page. Already the Wikipedia will be having its own pages, and we can contribute to the same existing pages. Research and gather resources. So next one is, because it is wiki site, it will be having a lot of information. So to create a wiki site, one must have, or one must be ready with research and gather resources. So this is the main source of wiki page. Now develop an outline. So before loading, upload your document into a wiki page, first we have develop outline, then have a draft of this, then submit the page for review and update over time. So these are the common steps to be followed while creating a new wiki page. In the next slide, you will see few steps are given here. So first one is, if you want to create a wiki site, wiki page, so first we have to have a goal. What are the goals to create a wiki page? And here we have, in the example, we have so many goals are be available here. So for example, if you look into that types of goal, here we have finance, health and fitness, relationship, career growth, personal development, and so on. So first we should have a goal whether our wiki pages will be having what type of documents will be loaded in that particular wiki page. So step one is we must have a goal. Next one is we have to look for a wiki software or type of hosting the wiki site. One is hosted or self-hosted. Next, in the step 3, we have to identify the contributor. I mean, who is going to contribute to our website or to the wiki page. So because wiki site is nothing but it is a collaborative website or a wiki site. And here we can think of department heads or head of the customer success, head of people operations. OPA stands for operation. So here we can think of, for example, these type of people can contribute to your wiki site. And team leads, for example, senior designer or lead engineers, all these can be a contribute to your wiki page. So we have to identify the right people for this. And institutional experts inside this, executive founders, long-term employees, investors, and consultant. So if we want to develop a wiki site, we should know the contributors to our wiki site. So this is identifying key contributors. Next one is create a brief outline of your wiki. So this is before you upload our wiki site. So we have to have a brief outline of your wiki, and it consists of our people operations for onboarding checklist and development cycles, customer feedback, marketing plan and templates, and product roadmap. See, these are all the outline or what the documents to be inside our wiki. By thinking of those concepts, we need to have an outline. It may consist of these are the examples or few topics to be included in your wiki site. See, this is we need to have an outline of our wiki page. Next one is, while using the software, better to make use of a template for faster development for documentation. It is better to have a different types of templates available within the wiki software. Next, if you want to go for designing, how do we design a wiki site? Here, these are the points to be remembered. One is we have to name your channel, and this is better to have an attractive name for this, and actionable document, standardize your channel structure, and set clear ownership and permissions, and write concisely. These are all the points to be considered while designing a wiki site. And also use images and screenshot, and structure and categorize information. We should have information in a hierarchical order or different format so that users can find the information easily. that is share it with the right people. So it is also important, and the same document to be reached to a right people and get others to contribute. So it is better to have other people, or you can ask others, request others to contribute to your wiki site for their improvement. Now test your internal wiki within your team. So what is internal wiki? It is a wiki site where only the members of an organization can share information or edit information. So this is, we have test with our internal wiki before we are going for public. Next concept is, what is a blog? See, so far we have discussed about a wiki or a wiki site or a wiki page. And now we talk about what is a blog. See, you might have come across different blog sites. See, all these blog sites are for personal use in general. Now let us see what is a blog. So in simple terms, it is a regularly updated website or a web page, can either be used for personal use or fulfill a business need. So it is also a type of website. Actually, a blog and Wikipedia or wiki site are nothing but a type of website for different applications. So here we in wiki site, we are going to contribute the information to the particular wiki page or a wiki site. And here blog, generally it will be used for personal or also for business. It is also a type of website. And while blog can encompass an entire website or simply be a own section of website. This is a place to share content about a topic you are passionate about. Say your blog, it can be have only a not a complete website, it may be a part of your website. So or it may be a short website. In that way, so it is generally in blogs, the people that share their information for or their what they are passionate about. And a blog will typically include both written and visual element published in easy to read article format, so visitor can swiftly browse and find what they are looking for. So public can also make use of these blogs to find their information of their own interest. In that way, these blogs are very useful. In the next slide, so this is a blog page. So an example for a blog page is here. So this is, it looks like a personal blog page. Next one is best blogging platform. So suppose if you want to go for a blog, if you want to create a blog, we can have any different platforms. One is WordPress. It is commonly mostly used software is WordPress. Then Wix. Actually, this is for drag and drop. So we can have the information by using drag and drop option. It is Weebly for best for e-commerce and best for web developers. And this is for all-in-one platform, CMS Hub for markets, and as well as best for its built-in audience. So these are different platforms or software available for to develop a blog site. In the next slide, let us see the few steps to be followed to create a blog site. First, we have to look for the provider. Next one is we have to select the particular platform. So here, as we have seen in the previous slide, these are all different platforms are available for us. So we can select any of the platform as per our convenience and our purpose. So these sites are pre-made with templates and push button publishing that don't require much technical knowledge. So if you make use of any of the softwares available here, almost the software you need not to be technically sound, or you need not to have a thorough knowledge of technical information to make use of these softwares. That is an advantage because of it has a pre-made templates. And once you sign up, you have to have a gallery of ready-made templates to choose from. See, this is normally you might have come across different software where once you sign up, it provides a gallery of ready-made templates. Next, with this, you can pick a color scheme and layout of your blog. That is the next step. Then most sites comes with set of predefined layouts. Now I think you can compare almost similar to this if you with a PowerPoint. When you talk about PowerPoint, we have layouts, we have so many background, so many options. Almost options are available in these type of softwares also. It has a set of predefined layouts and you can choose from. Select one and personalize it. Next one is you can add your name, interest, images, etc. And if you want to get more unique templates, there are some sites where they provide a good or better templates other than available in the software. After you have set up your blog, write a few posts to test it out and make it any adjustment to the layout or style that you see it to fit. So once everything, before you go for upload or everything is that, you have to write a few posts to test your blog site. Then write about your day, your thoughts, events, ideas, fears, everything, current affairs you are interested in. See, this is what everybody will make use of blog sites. The main purpose is to publish or to record their interest, day-to-day activities, and what they are about, current affairs, anything they are interested. So it should reach the public. That is the intention of these type of blog pages. So publish your blog by sending the URL to your friends or on your website. Add the URL to post you make on other blog. So once everything is ready, you can publish your blog by sending URL to your friends or through your other websites. Students, in this session, just have briefed you about the wiki page and blog page and how to create a wiki and blog pages. In the next session, we will talk about e-publication concepts. Thank you so much.